Nova the drone loved to soar freely through the open sky. PiPi the balloon drifted peacefully, enjoying the calm breeze. One day, Nova spotted something colorful and curious below.
Hi, wanna fly together?
PiPi beamed with excitement. Nova wasn't sure, but didn't want to say no. So they tied themselves together with one golden string. But something felt off. Nova couldn't speed up and PiPi swayed too much. They tried to stay in sync, but their movements clashed. Suddenly, the wind howled, the sky darkened. Nova fought the wind. PiPi spun out of control. Tangled in wires, they jerked to a stop, together. The string broke. They tumbled down out of control. Hurt and grounded, they finally realized the truth. Some things aren't meant to be tied together. Alone, they could move freely, each in their own rhythm. Not every connection needs a string. Sometimes mutual respect is what truly holds us together. Sometimes we rush into connection out of loneliness or curiosity. But not every smile means you're meant to stay together. True respect is letting go when paths don't align. There are those who share your rhythm. Wait for them. It's easier to move forward when you're not holding on to what's not meant for you. Better to wait for someone walking your way than to force a journey with the wrong one.